Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay, I'm back with my new video. Today we will be doing an experiment called Bunny's Cage. Are you ready for the experiment? Do you want to listen a story before starting it? Yes. Can we meet Luna and her mom? Okay. Luna's mom bought a new pet for her. She was very happy seeing the pet. What was the pet? It was a bunny. What was it? It was a bunny. Luna was very happy to have a new pet. But she did not know how to take care of that bunny. So Luna's mom said, as we need food, water and shelter, even animals need it too. So Luna's mom said, I can give it some water and food, but we need a shelter for it. Can we make a bunny's cage? Are you all ready? Okay. To make the cage, materials required are atta or dough. You can use clay also and toothpicks. To start with, just make small balls of atta and keep it like this. It should be in square shape. Now, keep the toothpicks one by one like this. Again make small balls of atta and keep it on the toothpicks. Again one more layer of toothpicks you have to put here. Just insert the toothpicks on the side also. Now look here, our bunny cage is ready. Are you happy with your cage? Okay, now at last what you have to do, you have to measure the size of the cage and you place your toy in the cage so that it is suitable or fit in the cage. I hope you all are clear. Bye and take care.